Hi, this is Susan Kilcrease with Computer Pro and Artista Websites. And this is Dewey. Doesn't everyone have a little dog on their desk that does web design? And I wanted to talk to you about the differences in a regular website and a tablet website and a mobile website and why this is so important for now. You're looking at our Computer Pro website, the regular home page on a regular computer. As you can see, it's a regular PC. And you can see it's got a lot of detail in it. It's got a big slideshow. There's a lot of things going on in this website. We have all our links to our social media there. You also notice that there's an extensive navigation bar at the top up here, as well as when we scroll down, there are links to go other places in the website. Now, this is a website that, again, is set up for the computer when someone is sitting at a desk and they may be in an office, a business, and they may be needing to read some detailed information about our services, about our business, about our resume, and such as that. However, when you're looking at when you're thinking about a client that is going to look at a computer, a website on a mobile website, on the phone, that's a completely different clientele. So let's take a minute and look at this same website on an iPhone here. Okay, now it is the same website, but it's got what's called an auto direct in it, which, according to the size of the display or the size of the screen, it will tell you which website to actually render. This is actually a different website, even though it goes to the same address. Now, you notice on the phone site, it's much less detailed. You've got some slides, you've got some things that are designed for touch, you've got bigger buttons, much easier to navigate. Whereas if you were looking at this website on a phone screen, you would have to pinch it and turn it and twist it and to see all the navigation. There's quite a difference. Now, also, if you'll notice at the top, I've only got 4 navigation buttons there, as opposed to all of the navigation on the website itself. All of these things are not necessary. We don't really need to go into all the details about the specific items in our business on the phone website, because often people that are on a phone website are just trying to contact us, get a little information. You also look at the contact page on here. The contact page is designed with the phone's operating system so that you can either just make a call directly from the website, or that you can navigate through the phone by turn direction. It's asking me if I want to allow Google Maps to use. I'm going to say yes. So that you can actually do turn-by-turn directions to get to our business. Also, there's an email link if you want to shoot a quick email as well. So, it's sliding down to my hand a little. Okay, now, delete that draft. Now, that's the mobile website. It's a complete different experience. Now, notice that, again, that if I go to the contact page, I have to get to the mouse, and contact page on the regular website, you have got information about someone is, again, sitting at a desk. You've got phone numbers, hours, address written out for them, and a detailed contact form so that someone can fill in information. You have photographs of our 2 business locations as well. And so this is something that, again, is designed just for the computer screen. Now let's look for a minute at the iPad, at the version of this website on the iPad. Let me get that where it's not so much glare on it. Okay, so let me go into the website. Now this is the tablet version of our website. It looks very similar to the phone website, but you'll notice there, instead of having 4 buttons, there are 5 buttons. We added there's a little bit more detail in here in terms of the computers that are sold, because someone that is on a tablet is likely to be in their home and they've got a little bit more time to read. They may want to go into the social networking, whereas on the phone website you wouldn't necessarily have to have that information. It's got the same basic information. You do notice that when we talk about, there's the little area on business, IT, and network support, but then when you scroll down to the part about iPad, iPhone, you notice that this particular website has got a picture of an iPad, whereas the iPhone version of the website has got a picture of the the iPhone that is broken and in need of our services. So little differences like that would appeal to people. Now, also notice that at the bottom, I have a little link here that says tablet website, touch to visit full website. So if someone really needs more information, they can click through on that link, and it will take you to the direct website of our the regular website, and they can pull through that. Now, a lot of that is dependent on how. Okay, so there's our regular website, which, as you can see, it's going to be, the text is going to look smaller. It's going to be a lot, more difficult to read, although it is, of course, readable. There's the navigation at the top. It is a little bit more difficult to get around. If you were to go into the, let's say, for example, this section right here, you are going to have more information, but again, you notice it's also moving more slowly, because a tablet website and a phone website are designed to operate. You don't have to sit and wait for it to grind and wait for your website to come up. It's very fast. So this is, again, the regular website on the tablet. But let me go back now to just hit the back button and go back to the regular tablet website, so that it's much easier, much faster. The font is bigger. It's designed for the small screen. It's much easier to get around, more attractive, as you can see. So it is extremely important in this day and age that you are acclimated for all three screens, especially considering the fact that they're estimating that by 2014 that 40% of all internet searches are going to be on mobile phones and on tablets. And so if your website is not ready for that, if people get on your website and they first of all can't open it, and secondly they can't access it, it's not going to be a real useful thing. So when you look at this website, I think it's important for you to know that this technology is available. We do this technology at Computer Pro. It's not an expensive piece of technology necessarily to do, and when you're building a website, to go ahead and add those on. And this is something that is just a must for this period in time. I hope that helps. Thanks.